Dear sons, some are born with value, others are forged into it. A woman's life begins early. A man's life begins after struggle, through discipline, through sacrifice, through time. She protects what she has. You create what you become. I didn't invent this truth. Nature did. And one day, you will understand it. Until then, I walk ahead of you, guiding you, teaching you, preparing you for the man you're meant to be. You have been down there. You know that road. You know exactly where it ends. And I know that is not where you want to be.